Good morning everyone, myself and from class 9. Today I am here to explain one of the most relatable law of in science, Newton's first law, as it is also known as the law of inertia. Let me ask you a question. If something is not moving, why is it still? If something is moving, why doesn't it stop? Do you have any?
Anybody can explain? Anybody can? You can explain.
Let me explain. The answer lies between in the Newton's first law of motion. What is Newton's first law? An object which continues in its state of rest are moving in the same direction and straight line until a external force or unbalanced force applied on it. For example, when it stops, our body moves forward. In simple words, if something is at rest, it stays at rest. If something is moving, it keeps moving. And unless unbalanced force or external force applied on it. This law is based upon law of inertia. As it is, what is the law of inertia? The natural tendency of an object which resists any change or inner rest. For example,
Resist to change their state.
for example, a heavier object has a more inertia. That's why we find difficult to move a big rock from its position.
Okay.
Next,
Inertia depends on the mass.
Inertia depend upon the mass.
Yes.
Now we understand by a real example. A slab bottle tester.
Yes.
Things that are needed: a bottle, a kerchief, and a table.
Okay.
Has I
Yes.
moved kerchief from it, the object stays in it because
Yes.
it stays in it.
Yes.
It does not move from sideways fall down because no force applied on it. The gravity pulls down it.
Yes, very
And for real example, when a car moves, suddenly stops, and when we move forward.
Forward.
A football on the ground moving continuously. Moving continuously unless friction stops it or our foot.
Oh, yes.
The Newton's first law says that Newton's first law is also known as law of inertia. It is based upon our daily lives and applied on it.
Yes.
It laws applied on our daily lives. Thank you for listening my seminar. So,
Okay.
anybody have a question?
Anybody have queries about Newton's first law and law of inertia? All of you got this concept? Say yes or no? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Elgar.